Welcome back to Fear and Loading. This is Guy Soggy. Today we're going to take a look at one of the many last-ditch self-defense options available today. This time it's a Smith & Wesson tactical pen. The handy pocket clip makes it convenient and at hand at all times. It measures only 5.7 inches in length. The 6061 hard anodized aluminum body tapers to a point to deliver debilitating blows. A screw-on cap ends with a flat surface for added pressure during impact. The ink cartridge is replaceable, and it weighs only 1.4 ounces. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe if you like what you see. Until next time, this is Guy Soggy signing off.